Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rock. Today we got a 97 Suzuki Quadrunner 250 4x4 we're going to be testing out. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's do a little quick walk around. Like I said, 97 Quadrunner. It's not in bad shape. I mean, somebody tried recovering the seat. They didn't really do the greatest job, but it probably keeps the water out. But yeah, this is a very low machine. But it's got nice big racks. Nice big front rack, nice big rear rack. It was supposed to have these bars all the way. It looks like somebody cut them off for some reason, but I'm not. It's kind of strange. I mean, this one isn't as bad, but the Arctic Cat. This is basically the Arctic Cat 250 engine. They ran these Suzuki motors, and they always look like they're missing an engine. This is not as bad. There's still a little hole in there, but it makes it easy to get to the valve cover if you have to. But let's see. Fully independent suspension. That is not a stock exhaust. That is hacked up job, but what do we got? 2,448 miles. Lots of levers, 5-speed. Let's try it out. Let's hop on this thing and try her out here. So electric start does have a backup recoil, which is nice. Starts very easily. So you have 3 selectors here: high, low, super low, plus 5-speed. So it's got a range of gears. We're gonna start in high. We'll definitely try out the low ranges, and I'm gonna take it easy to begin with here, and we'll see what she does. It also, so it's in 2-wheel drive right now. It's got 4-wheel drive, and it's got 4-wheel drive differential lock. Locks all 4 wheels in, so that's a very handy feature. We got an analog speedo with a trip meter, which is pretty nice. Some of these machines back then didn't have that. The one thing I don't care for, just by looking at this machine, which a lot of manufacturers did it back then, the rear tires are 25-inch, the front tires are 22-inch. I like it when they do. I know Polaris used to do that on their on some of their machines, but I don't know why they did it, but I like it when they keep them all the same, at least the height wise anyways. But yeah, anyways, let's continue with the test here. So independent rear suspension, which is pretty unique for most of these machines. They didn't have that back then, other than Polaris. Actually, I don't even know if they had it in 97. Yeah, no, they definitely did on their Sportsman. Oh, this thing's kind of flooding out on us, so we're gonna have to give it a little bit of juice. So we're just testing kind of trail capabilities today. I might do another video here in the near future on to see how this thing handles work, pulling trailer, maybe do a couple other things. We'll see. Oh, so it does have independent suspension, but there's not a lot of wheel travel. The shocks are very limited, but I've rode worse machines. I mean, this thing is not bad. Just actually, that's right. So it is adjustable, preload adjustable shocks, and the rears are actually turned up on this. So if we turn them down, it probably would ride a little better, a little smoother. So for a 250, you know, it's not bad. This is, I think, dry weight was 556 pounds, if I remember correctly, and the the size of the engine is 246 cc's, which is very small for a full drive ATV. But she's running a little rough with your 15 gear selection. It's Should be plenty. We're gonna try, might as well try the super low, full drive. Might as well do differential lock. Uh-oh. Come on. What's going on here? Are we getting too much gas? Safety feature? No. Might have some electrical issues. I turned the lights on and it's running better, so well, it's running, so ooh. This thing's a little tank. All four wheels are turning, and she's climbing. Yeah, I'm not sure what the, not sure what's going on there, but this thing's pulling hard, or steering hard because of that differential lock. We're gonna try to get that out. A little difficult to get that out. So let's try this super low out. That's third gear in super low, fourth gear, fifth gear. Fifth gear is basically like first, I would say. It feels like first in high. Let's go ahead and put it back in high range. And yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Something electrical. This is the first time I've had this thing out, so I'm going to continue on with the video. She's running. Hopefully I don't have to walk home. And we'll see what she does on the top speed. Hopefully it'll run good enough to do that. Not sure. Definitely spitting and sputtering here. So I actually traded this for my 250X. I actually traded it to a subscriber that watches these videos. And he did tell me this thing was running a little rough. He said he thought it just needed fresh gas. So I drained the old gas out, put new gas in, and it actually was running pretty good when it was cold, but something seems to be going on while it's hot, so I don't know if it's fuel related. And the key switch is very strange. It should not run better with the lights on. Let's see. Oh boy. Maybe I shouldn't have let it run. Die. She's running. Yeah. So this is a little rock pile. I think this thing, it's gonna hit bottom. It's pretty low, but I think in super low and differential lock, I don't think it's gonna have a problem getting over this stuff. Man. Yeah, something electrical is going on. We'll figure it out. Yeah, very low, but a little moving around, and hey, we're able to climb right through it. I just can't believe how low geared this thing is in super low. It's pretty nice. I'm curious to see how it's gonna tow. Very little motor, but with the gear selection, I think it's gonna help it out big time. A little cooler out today. My thumb, should have wore some gloves. My thumb is going numb. It was, I don't know, 30, 34, 36 last time I checked, but the sun was out, so it was kind of deceiving. Yeah. I am getting full throttle, so sometimes I'm hoping I can do that top speed run. Whew. Don't know what's going on there, guys. Sorry about that, but hey, it's first run. This is how it goes. Once I get this running better, I'll do another video. I might not do another one of these trail ride videos with it. I might just do that, do the you know, towing and testing its work capabilities video, but because I think we got a good idea of how this thing is on the trail, and it's actually not a bad machine. Riding a little rough, but definitely not running great. Okay, so we are in high range, right? Yep. Man, I do these small tires on the front make it feel very like when you're going, you know, at a higher rate of speed, it just wants to pull you. And I'm not sure if you know, I'm not sure if something's wrong with the front end, or it's just doing that. Man, a little cool. But yeah, you know, I do really appreciate the big racks on this thing. The front is very, very good size. The rear is huge, I think, compared to a lot of machines. Okay, so yeah. Between my thumb and the frickin' running issue. Strange. It'll just all of a sudden just run good, and then it runs like crap. I don't know. Get my thumb back into some use here. Alright, I hope it runs good for this test run. I'm guessing 40 for this thing, but we'll see if it runs good. The brakes are excellent on this thing, surprisingly. Alright, high range, first gear, second gear, third gear. There's 30, 35, 40. Now I'm just looking at the speedometer. I don't know what the GPS says. We'll find out, or you guys will find out. Right now it says 48. Good, it's running good for the test, for the top speed run. That makes me happy. At least this wasn't a complete waste of time. it looks like, oh, we could do it. We're gonna do it. There it is, 50 miles an hour on the speedo. Who would have thought that would do that? Not me. Oh. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out some other content. Till next time.